Arizugawa?
Huh?
I knew it! Nino Arizugawa! Do you remember who I am?
Sounds fishy.
It's me, Mikata from elementary school.
Mikota? That bald kid.
That was a long time ago. I've totally got hair now.
Voice has reached you. Yuzu!
Ow! Hey, what do you think you're doing? Are you nuts?
It's really you, right? I finally found you.
As always, you're terrible at listening. Right, Alice?
Use it. Huh? Have you shrunk?
Ah, I'm at 5'1" now. Thank you very much.
That's nice, but I just hit 5'4".
Just shut up. My growth spurt will kick in any day now, okay? Plus, I drink a ton of milk, so I'll soon.
Your eyelashes are the only thing that's grown.
Come on! What do you mean the only thing? And would you please move?
Yuzu, when can I see you again? You're a year older than me, so I wonder what class you'll be in.
Okay, everyone, take your seats. So you're finally here, Kanade Yuzuriha. You're short for someone repeating a year.
Why don't you mind your own business?
I was thinking I might go and find Nino and thank her once again. I think she's absent today. What? How come? She's sick?
How should I know? I'm not her blasted keeper. I could care less.
That's one hell of a lie he's holding.
He better watch it. He needs to concentrate more on hiding this than drinking his milk.
I'm finished with pretending to be Alice.
Mio,
Whatever, it isn't like Yuzu ever gave me a second look anyways.
I've told you 100 times before. Forget about Yuzu and come to me where you belong.
That joke gets me every time you say
Totally! Cheered you right up, huh?
I'm gonna quit vocals.
Huh?
Please, Yuzu. You can't write music even when I'm around. All this time, you've really just been writing songs for Nino.
That's not true at all!
Yuzu, look at your head, dude!
I don't like being lied to. Yuzu, you've been writing less music each year. But then you find Alice, and suddenly you can't stop.
Really? You're writing songs again, Yuzu?
How come you didn't tell us that, man?
How could I possibly continue to sing with you all, knowing I'm not the real thing?
Excuse me, guys. There's something I want to ask you about.
What?
What the hell are you doing here? You can't even sing!
What?
Oh God! What if this turns into a bloodbath? They're gonna
Ignore
kill
him.
each other. Please,
So,
someone go
what's
in there
the
and talk
plan
to
then,
them.
Yuzu?
You know how irrational.
Who's Mushroom?
Am I that bad at singing?
Huh? Tell me, stop!
You're the only one I know who sings. Where do I fail, Mushroom? To reach someone I love.
Someone you love? He wouldn't happen to be a cute milk-addicted shrimp, would he?
No, he's quietly dignified and wears glasses.
Is he 40 or something?
He's our age.
What kind of guy is this?
Yuzu. From the diaphragm. From the diaphragm. It reached him. It reached him!
Yuzu, you heard it!
Will you just shut up?
I would like a meeting with Momo Kiryu.
Well, I'm afraid only staff members can schedule meetings.
Then, at least just describe him to me.
I don't even know who that is, really.
If I audition for that, will I meet Momo Kiryu?
Sure. I think so.
Thank you very much!
Hey!
Send. Send. Even though I wanted to.
Oh, good. You're still here.
You...
Stop pouting. Do you honestly still think it was all your fault?
Of course I do!
I straight up told you that it wasn't, Miss Stubborn Pants!
But that day, if I hadn't started screaming... I said I'm not going, Milk Lashes!
What the hell's with you, masked face?
Thank you so much for the song!
You're so welcome!
look.
Thank God those all-nighters were worth it then!
All Black is truly the best!
What's the matter, Alice?
This padding's intense. Yuzu, are you a boob guy?
What? Come on, Alice! No interest at all whatsoever!
Is that really the reason you love drinking milk so much? I can see the connection.
Listen to me, will ya? I swear that's Yana's thing, not mine!
If you want, I'll take a look at him for you.
Huh?
I made it to the final round of the audition, too.
Oh, I see. Well, in that case, make sure you check for the mole on his belly and the burn scar on his thigh, okay?
Speaking of which, did you two already know that? About doing a new album?
I had no idea, man.
That Yana. We're always the last to know anything. Sneaky bastard.
You know, my mom's been hysterical ever since last night. She cried through the whole thing.
Guitar! Guitar!
What's up there, Alice? Why are you...
Guitar!
Guitar!
What? Yeah, I see a guitar there. So what about it?
A guitar!
Woohoo! You were so bad I wasn't sure if you could pull it off, but somehow you mastered the intro!
I'm a genius mastering my work over
Yep, you're not listening to me at all again. Nice positivity.
Arzugawa, you play guitar now?
Hey, Baldy.
Baldy?
Yeah, we went to elementary school together. He used to be bald.
I'm not going bald!
Long time no see, Baldy.
Did you even hear what I just said?
Yuzu. If we were to move in together, we'd be roommates, right?
Where'd that come from all of a sudden?
Well, it seems Momo is living with the woman who gave me this guitar. Girls and guys can be roomies without shacking up, right? They can be friends.
Alice, I have never thought of you as one of my friends, not even once.
Huh? If we're not friends, are we just schoolmates then? Acquaintances?
I didn't mean that! We're friends! We're definitely just friends here, Alice! So we would be considered roommates!
Hold on! Did you follow me here? I just want to be left alone right now!
Sorry, I just wanted to come here too. Uegahama Beach kind of feels like my backyard.
What? Nino, you're just jealous of her. Of that woman. What? You think so? Nino, really? This is your first time being jealous.
So this is jealousy?